Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMount, and today's class we are going to take how to create roof using roof by extrusion. Okay, so last class we took how to use roof by footprint. Okay, so for drawing pitched roof and for drawing a slab we'll be using roof by footprint. Okay, so roof by extrusion is used for drawing something like this. So you can see here. Okay, so if you want to draw a roof which is some irregular in shape, you can draw it using roof by extrusion. Okay, suppose if you want to draw one-sided roof, or if you want, you can see here there's some splined shape roof here. So if you want to draw such type of roof, you can use roof by extrusion. So here I have taken 4 walls here. So I'll go to 3D, and first here what I have to decide is like from which side I want to draw the path of the roof. So I'm not going to go to level 2 and draw the roof here. So I'll be going to any one of the elevation and I'll be drawing the path of the roof. Now suppose if I want the roof from here like in this position, so you can see there's a one-sided roof like this. If I want to draw a roof here, so what I'll be doing is I'll be going to the east elevation here. Okay, so let me go to east elevation, or if you want even you can go to the west elevation also. So if you go to the west elevation, you need to draw the roof like in this way. Okay, see here. So you need to draw the path like this. Suppose if you go to the east elevation, you need to draw the path like this. Okay, so here what I will do is I'll go to the east elevation here, and next I'll go to architecture. I'll drop down roof. I'll select roof by extrusion. So next, after you select roof by extrusion, here what we need to do is we need to select the work plane over here. So here we have to set the work plane in which plane I'm going to work. So let me specify the work plane as pickup plane. Okay, so I'll be selecting it as pickup plane. I'll click on OK. So next I'll be selecting the east elevation here. So for selecting the east elevation, here you can see if I select the wall face, you're getting 3 line indications. Okay, it means that you are selecting the east elevation here. Suppose if you move a bit cursor this side, as you can see, even you're getting a 1 line indication. It means that you're selecting the next side of the east elevation here. Okay, suppose you can see even if you're selecting here, you're getting a 1 line indication. So you're going to select when you get a 3 line indication like this. Okay, so when you get a 3 line indication, so just click over here. So after you click, you will get a reference here. Okay, so that where do you need your roof? So I need it at level 2. Yes, so I need it at level 2. I'll select it as level 2. But from level 2, do you need at some offset distance? So from level 2, if you want to give some offset distance here, so you can give the offset distance if required, or you can just click on OK. So next here what I will do is, using these draw tools, I'll draw the path of the roof. So however I'll just draw the path of the roof. Suppose if I need a one single sided roof like this, so what I will do is I'll draw the path as per my requirement. Okay, so after you draw the path here, so just I'll click on finish. After you click on finish, come to 3D. So you can see here you're getting the roof like this. So very first thing here what we'll do is let me change the thickness of the roof. So I have already told you the procedure to change the thickness of the roof and to add material. It is same as we do it for roof by footprint. So what I have to do here, I'll just select the roof. I'll click on edit type. I'll click on duplicate if I have used more than one roof. Okay, so you can give the roof name whatever you want. Just click on OK and I'll click on edit. Next here I'll change the thickness of the roof. Let me make it as 4 inches. And here if you want you can add the material. So just click on OK and OK. So you can see the roof thickness got changed. This path you're going to give it in the path itself. But suppose if you want to increase this sides, so what you can do is you can increase it by using these arrow marks which are there over here. But this you're going to give the length of the roof in the path itself. So now you can see here the wall is not properly attached to the roof. So what I need to do the next thing is I need to attach the wall to the roof here. So let me do one thing. I'll select the wall here and then here in ribbon bar in modify wall tab I'll select it as attach top or base. So select attach top or base and just select the roof here. So how exactly your roof is there, the wall will get attached to it properly. Okay, so let me do it all the 4 sides. So you can see here the walls are got attached to the roof properly automatically by itself. Suppose again if you want to detach it, just you can select it, click on detach top or base, and you can select the roof, it will get detached. Okay. Now suppose again if you want to edit the path of the roof what you have done here. So again here what you can do is you can go to that particular elevation from where you have done the path. You can select the roof which you have done and you can click on edit profile. Okay, so after you click on edit profile, so you can see here again you'll get the path of the roof. So if you want you can make some changes here. Suppose let me make it as something like arc shape here. So if you want you can do it and just click on finish. You can see the shape of the roof will get changed here. Okay, so this is how you can make some irregular shapes of roof using roof by extrusion. Okay, so thank you everyone. So you can subscribe and like the video.